Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll perform face detection in Python with OpenCV Module. So let us begin. So for this, what all we need is a VSCode editor or any IDE you can use as per your choice. After this, you need to install OpenCV from its official website, that is opencv.org, and inside it, in releases, you can get the link to download the same. And the third requirement is an image containing a face. So now let's move ahead with our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have imported OpenCV module. After it, to recognize face, we are using the cascade classifier function, and it is a pre-trained module, that is the Cascades frontal face module. It is XML file. You have to edit the path as per your file wherever you have stored the OpenCV, wherever you have extracted the OpenCV. And the second one, we are recognizing the eyes using this cascade underscore i.xml. This one is also pre-trained, so you need not to train it again. And the second thing is, over here we are loading the image using imread function. Over here you need to edit the path of the image wherever you have stored your image containing a face. So in this videos folder, I have stored a image named as face.jpg. JPG is an extension. Over here you can see a cute baby sitting over here. So now over here next to this, we will convert it to the grayscale using CVT color function. Now to draw the rectangle wherever faces are detected, we are using this rectangle function. And the same way, wherever the eyes are detected, we will also draw a rectangle over there. At last, to show the image containing the detected face, we are using mShow function, and to save the image containing the detected face, we are using mWrite function. Over here as well, edit the path according to your desktop or whatsoever you are using. And at last, we'll wait for a key to be pressed, and after that, after any key will be pressed, then only we will destroy all the open windows. So now let's run this. So it's running, yes. So over here you can see detected face. Over here you can see this rectangle. Over here the face is detected, and over here the eyes are detected. Over here as well, the OpenCV has considered it as an eye, but it's not the reality. So this one is a pre-trained module. And over here you can see as well that it is also saved over here in the videos file. So in this way, you can detect the face using Python with the help of the OpenCV module. If you have any issue, then don't forget to write it in the comments. And if you want the code, then the link is in the description. Hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then don't forget to subscribe as well. And have a nice day. Good day. Thank you.